Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, IT products, and anything that will help you make money online. Today I have another amazing software product. I mean, truly amazing software product, and it's called YoDrive. YoDrive is a software that is going to actually go live today, the 3rd of August 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and is being launched by the super affiliate Dr. Amit Parikh and his brother and partner Attain Parikh, and I think one other partner of them. And now this YoDrive, in a nutshell, is actually one of a kind platform to host and deliver website images, files, training, and play high definition videos at lightning speed across the entire internet. That means this is going to actually help you host a website. Not only hosting a website, it will help you with website images, files, training, and play, of course, high definition videos, and all these at lightning speed. If this is one you're going to actually need to make money online, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That very link will bring you to this amazing bonus page of mine, where you are going to grab a copy. On top of this very page, you can get a copy with that link, and of course you can always check out all the other links scattered all over this page. Like this very orange link will take you automatically to the sales page of this very product, which is here. And on this sales page, you can buy a copy with this or any of the other very orange links scattered all over this page as well, and definitely that will be yours. And when you do, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you are going to actually get a copy for yourself, and I will show you what will happen. Under your purchase history, you are going to find a page that looks exactly like this one. Under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this, which gives you access to these two buttons. The first one, green, gives you access to YoDrive as a software with all those capabilities, and here the blue one gives you access to the amazing bonuses that I'm going to show you as long as this very review is concerned. And with that said, let us go up and see exactly what this one is all about, and I will show you the demo video of this very product in action so that you will see what you stand to get. In short, we are going to actually do a lot of on this very review. It's a product that's going to help you supercharge your website speed, boost engagement with fast loading pages and videos, and tap into 398 billion e-learning industry. And it will help you deliver client projects, docs, and PDFs securely, and of course generate more leads, sales, and profits. Is a JVZoo product launch that is going to give you everything that you need to make money using a website. If you talk about speed, is there. And then you talk about delivering client projects is there, docs, PDF securely, everything is there. It's one hell of a product. As I know, any product you see on the JVZoo platform, definitely you know that before JVZoo will accept your product to be launched, definitely you know what you're doing. And this is exactly why I have switched most of my effort now in reviewing products that I know that will create values for you, if you happen to get interested in this one. This is all round. Now, with that said, let us see exactly what Dr. Parikh said this product is all about. It says it's an amazing cloud-based platform to host, manage, and deliver unlimited images, files, and videos at lightning fast speed with zero technological hassles. This is what the product is all about. And the front end alone gives you so much. It is unlimited everything. Host, manage, publish unlimited PDF, docs, audios, videos, zip files, or any other marketing file. Robust and proven solution, and of course easy and fast to use, and deliver all files at lightning speed with fast CDNs. Of course, you have no worries of paying monthly fees for this very capability. With that said, we will just jump into the pricing for this one. The front end goes for $34, which is the personal version of the front end, and then the pro commercial for this front end goes for $37. And here you have the OTO number 1 Elite. it goes for $37, and YoDrive Elite goes for one time of this is $37 per month, but one time at $97. And here you have the OTO number 2, personal, enterprise personal goes for $47, and enterprise commercial goes for $67. And here you have OTO number 3, which has 2 options. You have the option number 1, agency 200 clients license goes for $67, and agency unlimited client license goes for $97. And here you have OTO number 4, which is a premium membership, and it goes for $97 per month. And then here you have the premium membership that goes for $247, and you pay 3 times. And of course, if you want to pay one time, it will cost you $697, nearly approximately $700 for one time. So this is all you have as long as this very one is concerned. I think there's some other item out there. YoDrive Fast Pass goes for $97. When you enter the funnel, it will explain some of these prices better, but I can assure you it is fully loaded. And these are all the capabilities that we may not be able to read through, because of there are so much you can gain from this very digital product that is called YoDrive, which I am very impressed with myself, because I mean, I was speaking to Atul the other moment, and he explained that this is one of the greatest products they have been able to put up, and will create amazing values for my clients. And this is exactly why I'm doing this. So you can imagine all these very capabilities are yours when you have just the front end alone, which goes for just $34. And so you can imagine what you have there. And here are the amazing benefits you stand as long as this one is concerned, which is very huge in my own assessment. If we continue to read all this through, definitely we will not be able to finish this review. So I will leave that to you. When you come to my bonus page, you'll be able to assess them yourself. Now let us see exactly what I have got here for you as long as my bonuses are concerned. As always, I have mega bonuses for you. My first bonus should be the premium bonus, which is 17 amazing bonuses in one. Here you are talking about the product vault that has 17 software and training courses that with all their front ends, and some of them with OTOs, which you will be able to start to develop today to make money online. I mean, you can't get it anywhere else. Now, my bonus number 2 for you should be how to create free professional website. A website that you can sell on Fiverr or any of the marketplaces professionally. You can do that under 25 minutes with this very training hack, and definitely you'll be able to make money with that. And my bonus number 3 for you will be how to get traffic to any link or offer of your choice. Imagine getting traffic to a high ticket product that you're promoting for one reason or the other, and imagine getting targeted traffic and millions of traffic to this such a link or offer. Imagine what you are going to do. But this very hack is going to teach you how to do that effectively. My bonus number 4 will be the almighty commission toolbox. This is what I call it, because it has over 1,000 tools that you can use in your digital marketing. Anything online that you need to do, this very bonus, the commission toolbox, is loaded with basically every tool you can think of, as long as making money online is concerned. So you have this free of charge from me, and that's about my 4th product. My 5th product should be 3 monetization strategies. These are strategies to monetize your channel, monetize your website, monetize anything monetizable, as long as it is your desire. This very hack will somehow teach you how to do so effectively. And like I told you, when you arrive here with a link in my description area, first link, you will click on this link or add the link topmost. It will take you to the sales page where you can use any of the links there to actually get a copy of this very product for yourself. When you do, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account or JVZoo account where you buy this product. I think it has to be JVZoo account. When you do that, you will be having the information on how to get your bonus from this page, and of course be able to make use of this product for yourself. So with that said, let us actually see if we can take a look at the very sales page for this one, so that we can watch the video as well of this product in action, and then it will be left for you to actually make up your mind. but as you can see, everything here is loaded. Now let us take a look at the sales page, which goes like this. This is the sales page you will have access to when you click any of the links on my bonus page, and definitely that will be one thing I believe you would like to do, because I mean, going through these very information will definitely help you to see some of the capabilities you have with this product, because I may not be able to cover all the things you have here, but at your convenience, when you go through this, you will be able to get information on how these things work, and also get the benefit of having all the vendor bonuses as well, which we are supposed to take a look at, because it's somewhere here. I saw it while going through this very sales page before coming up for this review. I know I saw the vendor bonuses, which will be yours when eventually you take a copy of this very product using my link. Bonus number 1 from the vendor will be live training from 0 to 10K a month with YoDrive. First 1,000 buyers only, and of course that is amazing. Bonus number 2 from the vendor will be video training on how to start online coaching business, which is one of the things that you can do with this very product, YoDrive. And of course, you have the bonus number 3 from the vendor is lead generation video workshop, and that's what you get from the very vendor. It says this lead generation video workshop gives you proven tips and tricks on how to drive lesser targeted leads to your offers and boost your email list in a cost-effective manner. I mean, this is crazy. And bonus number 4 from him will be video training on how to make money with affiliate marketing. Amazing. That's about 4 bonuses you have from the vendor, and from me you have about 1,022 bonuses to choose from. I mean, that's quite amazing. Now, with that said, let us actually take a look at how this very product works when the software is in action. Unfortunately, I couldn't get access to the real demo video itself. In fact, I didn't have the means to get it from the very vendor, because I asked for it, but up till now the product is launching in a couple of hours. I didn't get it, so I decided to go ahead to show you the demo video this way.
It has never been easier to host, manage, and deliver your website, images, sales, videos, demo videos. Videos for training and other marketing files to your clients and team members, but with YoDrive it's easy and fast. YoDrive is a must-have solution that replaces multiple old-school, slow-loading, and costly apps with a lightning-fast user experience to run a profitable business online. It supercharges your website speed, play buffering-free HD videos, store and share marketing files, PDF, etc. for client projects to get more leads, sales, and customer satisfaction in 3 easy steps. Step 1, upload. Just upload any file, images, videos, audios, documents, etc. from your PC once, and YoDrive optimizes those according to internet speed and makes multiple resolutions for faster delivery on any device. Step 2, get file, URL, or embed code. Just get a file URL or 1 line of code to share and publish your file anywhere on the internet, on any page, or on any website. Step 3, share, publish, and profits. You can share, publish, or access any file wherever you want instantly and start getting more eyeballs and more customers glued to it. No installation, no coding, or other techie stuff. In less than 2 minutes, you can publish your YoDrive images, videos, or any file anywhere on the internet. It's easy, faster, and built with love for anyone who runs an online business. With YoDrive, you can do much more. Host and manage all your files. Any type of videos, video, training, website, images, PDF, docs, audio, zip files,
that's about how far we can go with the demo video. I guess you will be able to have access to that video as soon as you get access to this very page. But for us to round this one up, this is how we go with my bonus page. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment if there is anything, and use the bell button for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here is goodbye, guys.